Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, living a life with less, and also minimalism. So today's topic is pretty appropriate because it's almost the 4th of July. It's what freedom from clutter can actually look like. So freedom from stuff that holds you back, and there's 5 things that you could let go of this month. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I do hope this benefits you. And if you are coming back week after week, thank you so much. And I truly appreciate all the new subscribers and also all of the comments that we get. So the first tip today is the items that are needing repair that sit untouched. So the challenge is you're convinced that someday you're going to get to those things. You will get them fixed, but you haven't. So not last week, not last month, and not even last year. So we'll have those things sitting around waiting for us to get to them. So it's that dress that needs the zipper, the shoe that needs new inserts, or the bike that needs new tires. So the solution here is set a deadline to repair those things, prioritize them rather than just letting them sit there and take space in our closets or our garages or our lives. The second tip is clothes that you haven't worn in a year. So the challenge here, of course, is that you keep thinking, what if I need it someday? Or I'll start wearing it when I lose that 5 more pounds. So, but if in the meanwhile, they just clutter your closet month after month, weighing you down every time you look at them. So the solution to this is mark your calendar for 30 days from now, and then turn your hangers backwards, flip them around if you wear them, and after 30 days, remove that clutter, because there's clutter, those clothes that you haven't worn in 30 days, and donate them to someone who might use them. The third tip today is gifts that you keep out of guilt. So for sure, we all have some of these sitting in our basements or our garages. So if you're holding on to those gifts that you've been given and you keep them out of guilt or obligation, that china that your grandmother gave you before she passed away but you've never used because it's not your taste, or the old wooden rocker that maybe your grandpa insisted that you would have when he was gone, but it's been in your basement all these years, and if it was because it wasn't your taste and there's nowhere to put it anyway. So the solution is, remember that the purpose of a gift is to bring joy and happiness to the recipient. So if you feel bad or if you feel guilty because you're not using or wanting that gift, you're not honoring that giver by keeping it in the basement. Donate it or give it away to someone who will use it. It's time to let it go. And my fourth tip today is someday items that you've outgrown. So you're holding on to items that represent who you used to be, things from your past you thought you might need to aspire to be someday. So those motivational speaking tapes that you found in your basement, the business suits that you once wore to the office every day, or the dressy attire that you used to wear when you attended a lot of black tie affairs for business. So the solution is embrace who you are now, the life that you're living today, and free up that space in your current cabinets or your closets, and make it ready for this chapter, not the last chapter. You're going to feel free as a bird. And my last tip today is those duplicate household items. Every time I look in my drawer, I seem to find one more of those. So when you merged your household with your current partner, or maybe you got married, when you inherited items from your parents after they passed, you ended up with duplicate items or even triplicates, and they're overwhelming your home. So the solution here is each time you come across one of those duplicates or triplicates, make a decision right then and there. Keep your favorite, the one that's in the best condition, and then donate the others to people who might need them or want them. So it is helpful to keep a donate box close by so that it's easier for you to just quickly and conveniently drop it in there, and then when it's full, then you'll bring it. to the donation site. So those are my 5 quick tips for this week. I hope they help you free yourself from the stuff that's been holding you back, that's just sitting around your house. And if you want to learn more about letting go, check out my Minimalist Essentials Workbook. There's over 60 pages packed with checklists, with 30-day challenges, progress trackers, planning calendars, and so much more. It's only $19.99. It's in the link below, so click that if you are interested in that. So thanks for watching. My weekly 5 in 5 series is something I really value because of all the feedback that you're giving me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, help us keep growing, and please share it with someone who you think might benefit from a little bit of extra inspiration and also help on their decluttering journey. So I will see you next week. In the meanwhile, have a happy holiday and also keep it simple.